If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This was the last etude in the book 1 of the Trott Melodious double stop series. So this way I'm kind of closing the cycle, and I hope somebody watches this. I don't know. Anyway, if you enjoyed it, please let me know. And if you'd like to see book 2, also please let me know. I can record that as well. Thank you so much.